Hey guys, welcome back to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a must-sell home located at 168 Clayton Heights in Clarendon. This property offers a grand opportunity for the savvy investor. With great income earning potential, this 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom property consists of the following: 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, spread over 2 floors, along with a self-contained flat, which has its own entrance on the ground level. The floor space is approximately 3,200 square feet, and the lot size is 6,969.6 square feet. You can convert this property into multi-rental units or consider it home for your family. Either way, you're making the right choice. Located in a quiet, family-oriented community, just 10 minutes from the commercial hub of Maypen, gives this property ideal access to supermarkets, schools, banks, and other major amenities. The owner is very motivated. Make an appointment to view today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 26 million or US $164,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.